guys, in today's video this is going to be another fire alarm unboxing video. I was just looking on eBay a few days ago and then I found some I wanted. Well, the price of it was good, so I just decided to buy it. Or them, because there's actually for first in the in my fire alarm unboxing videos, there's actually 2 alarms. This is actually a lot of 2. At least that's what it should be. And if you're wondering why you can hear a noise in the background, for whatever reason, that's because I have the garage door open. But I don't think that's really important right now. The only thing that is important is getting this thing open so you can see what's inside. And there is my cat. Alright. Anyways. Well, scissors. I'm gonna open this now. Try and make this as quick as possible because this guy's not looking too good outside, and I might have to shut the garage door if I take too long with this. Or because, well, rain is a possibility. So I'm just gonna go down here like this. Alright, come on. That's not even the tape that I am cutting. That is not good. I'm gonna have to... Oh, got one side. Oh, and I'm gonna have to turn this over a little bit so I can get this side. And alright, I'm about to pull, well, here's this. This is like cushions and stuff, which is, I guess it's a good thing. And here we go. Here is, oh wow, they're actually both in the same thing, so I'm gonna move this out of the way. And here it is. I'm gonna open it so you can see what it is. As you can see, these alarms are kind of small. I mean, they're, oh yeah, they're also, well, single gang. Just letting you know that. Guess it can be a little hint as to what it could be. Some of you might know already, though, if you could see through the bubble wrap and stuff. And it is indeed 2 alarms. And now, time to try and pull one of them out. Come on. Try and open this up a little bit more. Alright, here we go. And here we go. These are 2 ESD Genesis, I think it's G1RF HDVM, which is the top one right here. These are 2 horn strobes, or G1RF horn strobes, ESD Genesis. And it also has a multi-candela on the side too, which is also pretty neat. And these are also in red, while I have a white one inside. And as you can see, there's a little bit of damage down here and over here. This one's fine. Well, this one's in the better condition than the other one, but these two should still work. And interesting, they have a shorter screw there than the other one. So, wait, is that a date code on the back? I don't know. Well, anyways, now I finally got an EST Genesis horn strobe, or I have two of them, which is pretty neat. And I've wanted these for a while, and now I have them. So now I can say I have I don't know where I was going with that. Oh wow, the strobe cover is coming off of this one. That's fine. Yeah, I don't know what to do about that. But yeah. Anyways, this one's strobe is fine on this one. So I guess hold on. So there you have it. There are the fire alarms that I unboxed, which are 2 more EST Genesis. Well, this time they're horn strobes instead of just a horn like the one I already have. And so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you later. Oh yeah, one last thing before I end the video. Here are the 2 alarms I just unboxed, being EST Genesis horn strobes, which are red, as you can see. And here is this white EST Genesis horn that is actually my first fire alarm, to those of you who don't know. And I find it funny, since this is the first alarm I ever got, and these 2 are the most recent fire alarms I got, and they're both a part of the same like series of alarms, with being the Edwards Genesis. And hold on, let me look. I think the font's slightly different on this one and that one. On here, the fire lettering is kind of thicker, I think. As you can see on this one, the fire thing is kind of lower than this one right here, which that one's the one with the strobe cover coming off. And so yeah, that is the like real ending of the video this time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video, and I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.